Simple Mobile now offers eSIMs for compatible iPhones starting from iPhone XS and newer models, as well as select Android devices. This allows you to activate your service digitally without a physical SIM card. To check if your device is compatible, first find your IMEI number. You can do this by dialing *06 on your phone or by going to Settings, then General, and selecting About on an iPhone. Once you have your IMEI, visit Simple Mobile's website or open their app. Use your IMEI to verify if your device is compatible with their eSIM service. If your device is compatible, proceed to purchase a Simple Mobile plan through their website or app. Choose the plan that fits your needs. After purchasing your plan, you'll receive a QR code either via email or directly in the Simple Mobile app. This QR code contains the activation details for your eSIM. For iPhone users, open the Settings app, go to Cellular, and select Add Cellular Plan. Then scan the QR code you received and follow the on-screen prompts to activate your eSIM. For Android users, the path may vary slightly by device, but generally go to Settings, then Network and Internet, select SIMs, and choose Add SIM. Scan the QR code and follow the prompts. If you can't scan the QR code for any reason, contact Simple Mobile customer support and provide them with your IMEI number. They can provision the eSIM remotely for you. Activation usually takes just a few minutes, but sometimes network synchronization can take up to 1 to 2 hours. If you encounter issues during QR code scanning on Android, contact Simple Mobile support as it might require an IMEI reset on their end. Remember that eSIM activation requires an internet connection. Also, Simple Mobile's eSIM uses Verizon's network, so you'll have the same coverage as Verizon customers. If you're switching from another carrier, ensure your device is unlocked. Keep in mind that as of late 2025, Simple Mobile eSIM activation is primarily for U.S. customers only. For the most up-to-date instructions and troubleshooting tips, always refer to the official Simple Mobile website or app.